Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the Archimedean spiral. Now, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. Step, remember early on we had measured 8.33. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a line 8.33 along this line, all right? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to measure this angle going right around so that we can enter the angle for the line. So we're gonna go angular, and we need this line, or what angle is that? 45. Good. So 45 minus 360 degrees. We have to do the calculation. So that angle is 45. So 315 degrees. All right. So look now, we're gonna draw a line from this point. The length of the line is 8.33, and the angle would be 315. Enter. Good. So that line now, see, is on there. What we're going to do now, we're going to join P to that point. Enter. All right. Now, that we drew a while ago. Okay. So we're actually going to extend this line. So we need to draw, let us center it so that you can see it. We need to draw a random line out here, like this. Enter. And we need to type extend, to use the extend command to extend this line. So there, let's zoom it up, there, 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 there. So here we have drawn the normal from the point P to the 90-degree construction that we did right here. So we can actually know that from here to here, that where this intersection is drawn through P, that is a normal. What we're going to do now, we're going to label the normal, okay? So we're going to go single line text. We're going to come here. We're going to turn off object snap. We're going to select here. And the rotational angle would be 40 degrees. So the height would be 6. Rotational angle would be 40 degrees. Enter. And this is, we'll go lock caps, normal. And this is our normal, okay? What you can actually do is rotate it if you want. Click on it, enter. Base point here, rotate it like that. Okay? And we're gonna move it closer. Good. That's our normal, okay? All right, so good job if you got it right so far. All right, so there we have it now. So this line, we're gonna trim it because this is not, this is just a construction line, all right? So the normal, we're gonna delete. Yes, it can stay there, all right? So we're gonna delete this line, right? And we're gonna move the normal onto this line. So we're going to move it above. So we're going to move, select the word normal, press enter. I'm going to move it above this line right here. We need to turn off object snap, okay? All right, that's the normal. All right, we're going to rotate it the word normal, enter, base point, we're gonna make it here, we're gonna rotate, it's not level with the line. There, good. And what we can do, we can move it a bit closer. So we're gonna move, enter, I'm gonna move it closer. Good. So this is our normal, all right? So to get the tangent now, we have to construct a 90-degree from point P along the normal, which is this line, all right? So this line we can actually make it small carried in, all right? All right, so we're gonna draw a semicircle. So we're gonna construct a 90-degree at P on the line on the normal, which is the line which we drew last. All right, so we go center start end. We need to turn on object snap by clicking this button. All right, so we pick up the center point. The radius, we're gonna make it the same. We're gonna make it 12 millimeters. Enter. I'm gonna draw it come around like, which one was it? This one? Good. Then we're gonna mark another arc. The same step that we did the last time. We're gonna put it on here, intersection here. I'm gonna mark an arc. The radius would be 12 to intersect the semicircle that we drew. All right. We're gonna draw an arc from the other side. Center start end from this intersection. Radius here, we're gonna make it 12. All right. Then from those two arcs intersecting the semicircle, we're gonna mark another arc. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna come here, and the radius will be 12. Mark that. All right. We're gonna come again. Center start end. We're here. Yes. And the radius would be 12. Where the two arcs intersect, which is where these two arcs intersect, that would be the 90-degree when you draw it from through P. So we're gonna go line from this intersection to P, which is right here. Intersection, press enter. Right? So what we're gonna do now is extend the line in both directions. All right. So we're gonna select it down, extend it down here first. So we're gonna type extend. EX is shortcut for extend. I'm gonna click this line, this line, this. Make it smaller. I'm actually gonna shift it. All right, so we're gonna shift it back here to center. We're gonna draw a random construction line down here as a boundary to extend it to, and then we delete it. All right, so we go again. Extend, shortcut for extend, EX. See? And that is the tangent. Let's delete the construction line there, all right? So let us extend it in the opposite direction, all right? Just to show that is a tangent, all right? Now it's a little bit too tall, so we're gonna break it. So we're gonna go modify, break. We select the object, then we select the point we want to break it. We wanna break it about there, enter. So if you click on it, you see this is two lines, right? So we press delete. So we click on it and press delete, it's gone. All right. So we're gonna type extend to extend it to the other side. So we're gonna click here as gonna zoom it up, we're gonna click there. No, it's going the other side. Hold on. So we're gonna extend, right? There it is, extend, 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 extend. Let's make it smaller. Extend, extend, extend. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the normal and the tangent on, we're gonna darken them, we're gonna put it on the outline layer, right? So it's the same line weight as the Archimedean spiral, all right? So we're gonna click this, we're gonna select the tangent, which is this line, and the normal, which is now this line. And we're gonna go up to our layer, and we're gonna put it on the outline layer. Good. Can you guess what's the next step to complete the drawing? So good job if you followed along. We're going to label tangent right here, all right? So the angle here for this line, I believe will be the same, 335. So let's try. So we're going to go single line text. We need to go single line text. The start would be here. The height, we're going to make it 6. Enter. What's the rotational angle? 315 degrees. Enter. Good. There it is. So caps on, lock caps, tangent. Enter. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to rotate it since it's not properly aligned to the north, to the tangent. So select object, click here as the base point, and we're just going to rotate it like that. Good. Now the tangent, I made that a bit longer, I wasn't sure where it would be. So we're gonna go back and use the break command. So you're learning how to use the break command because I've used it about 3 times. So select the line, enter, and we enter, and we select where we want to break. So we want to break it right. And we need to look and see what it is saying. So we're gonna come, we're gonna hover over. We caught it a while ago. All right. Press enter. So look now. When I click on it, it's 2 lines. Look. So I click on the top. See, it's not selected there. So what we're going to do is delete this. And we did it before. So that is why we have 2 pieces here. So what we can do, can zoom it down. And this is our completed drawing. So good job if you had followed along. Splendid. So good job. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the Archimedean spiral. In the next video, we'll be looking at CAM designs. So we look forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.